Mojo Joe. Look at the time, oh boy. What is the time? Let's get that cash, oh boy. Don't sweep scores and sinners. Keys to my bimmer, 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 bimmer. Got the keys to my bimmer, 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 bimmer. Call me the CEO. Call me Mojo Joe. Me a diploma for the bank. You know see my money that's a flow. Make fixed deposits. You know see my carry it rich. I see them buy.
If I see no video, any of me see no video on the internet, want me not sign to and not get the permission, I will sue the person who is videoing this.
It's one of my YouTube channel.
Don't go.
Really? Okay. You want to make yours? We'll finish the tea last, wash up the plate. I'm joking, babe, I wash it, don't drink that tea. The chocolate is
I must have been able to watch my show last night.
Whose fault is that? Did anyone tell you to go to sleep?
No.
Did anyone tell you to go to sleep?
I'm tired out myself.
We'll tire you up. And then you were like, put him on a feet or put it. Put it where you move it. Feel what?
I told me no man, I did watch for me show and I'm not watch it. So that's why I put in one of you for me just drop asleep like I go and watch you.
Oh my god, you feel funny, babe. And wash my hands. Babe. Alright, later guys. Say bye. Babe, it's back on.
Yo, blog thing, man.
It's vlog. Correction.
It's a blog hour.
Vlog is like written. I've got a blog as well, but vlog is video.
Could a vlogger, frog. You know, business. Oh, that zoom up your paparazzi.
Everybody see your cute face.
That's what I say.
I say gully.
Free Royal Boss, Free Vibes Cartel, Gaza. Check out Dan Sweeve.
Alright, I say Gaza and gully.
Vendetta and Gaza.
Gaza and gully. I like Movado.
Water don't fix well.
Darren, you really gonna make me wash up the plate? Come and ring.
Ring swap.
Darren, come and ring. Just because you stand up and fry a thing that didn't take too much energy.
Work that?
No, it's not. All you do is stand up
I'm do a stand up
flip.
and wash.
Come on, I have to move up my hands. Come.
You have to cut bread and butter bread, you know.
I have to butter my bread. Come on, go wash. Come on, let's go wash your plate.
You see, me can't get little rest. Even little rest, me can't get mad.
Call me the CEO. Call me Mojo Joe. Me a diploma for the bank. You know see my money that's a flow. Make fixed deposits. You know see my carry it rich. I see them buy a house and I know me not sleeping on it cause we living.
So where we're going? Hello.
You know what I'm saying? I go for the tattoo shop.
I'm gonna get my first tattoo, I think.
Yeah.
If I don't chicken
Finish
out.
off piece of my sleeve. And where you go? You know, one go.
We're going to Falmouth right now, to the tattoo shop.
No farmer, Brownstown.
Oh no, we're going to Brownstown. Oh, I thought we were going to Falmouth. No fast driving, please. No, I mean it. No.
Enjoy your chip.
I am, but you don't need to drive fast.
I get a nice little drive home. to drive?
No, babe.
Oh.
I have no one to stop it. Don't worry.
Sure you don't want a patty?
Yes.
Sure.
Can I get patty and water? Please.
So you know, just say you don't want a patty, you want that.
Well, do you want patty?
Me ask myself if you want a patty earlier, or me tell myself yes. Me ask you if you want a patty, me and you say no, so I know what I want.
Yes, please. I want a patty and a bottle of water.
Yeah, you are going good.
I'm surprised the hair's gone curly again, you know, because when I was combing it out, it's meant to go curly when it wet it, but I was like, shit, what if it doesn't go, like, curly again? And then I'll go so bad. We're going to the beach tomorrow.
Yeah, man, come around Friday.
Yeah.
No, Friday, I don't.
Friday is what?
Wednesday.
Oh, yeah. Right, we'll see you soon. We're going to get going now. I know. Why did I leave?
He was the realest. We was the flights. We was the illest. I was the baddest. We was the flights. Up in the building.
Nothing's wrong yet. Start you over. Well done, babe.
Duns River Queen, I know what I think go. El Gringo lifestyle, big up yourself by your flag.
Yes, it looks nice. So we're gonna go to the soon. We're just at the bar way. It's probably like really hot in the sun. Last time on vlog we went and got a tattoo, didn't we, babe? She got me a tattoo.
we are well pure, you know, man. Real Jamaican ganja. Kinda sweaty, you know, but you know where I go.
Still look nice.
Thanks, babes, I don't know. You know? Yeah, man, you know? Real Jamaican herbs. Get it here at Jamaica only.
So we're gonna go to Duns River soon.
Yes. Duns River Falls, climb the falls, and just enjoy ourselves. Jump off 5 falls if we feel like. You understand? Yeah, man. Yeah.
So the birthday girl's coming, so we're gonna get you.
No, birthday girl that I birthday girl best friend of come.
Okay.
Birthday girl, I reach it. Birthday girl, I pampered up and all these things. Give me a little zoom. You can't just fool me, so heavy. Gaza, Free Vibes Cartel Movement. One, you see me? Free World Boss.
You shut off the video already. Come on, just go and burn up already, you know. So you're being up Dun Sweep and Dun Sweep now.
Yo, man, check out this name on that we can't.
Oh, so far.
What me do, Mr. Wagwan in there? We just can't go on and be we are gonna be one. Yo, shit! Oh, yes,
Yeah, so we got the blue stuff, don't have the best of the sweet, you know what I mean? She said, hey, to be there, and I did it, you know,
Real top dog, Mr. Bean top dog, Ricky C top dog, Oscar top dog. Call me the president. It's like an accident. Me a drive and can't see them. Nobody need for ask for them. Dogs and out paparazzi for them. Oh, the show sold out. Now my gone one tour now. Champagne me a pour out.
one body see my go when I get
No, but they have this guy. They don't need
Yeah,
nobody
yeah,
to see or know that, yeah.
So much limit.
Chip shot.
Girl, I woke up in a one and in a tree.
I won't. So, right. This is what this is. So we're at Duns River right now. 1 second. So this is what it looks like so far. So just walk into it now.
Me too. Then like your pepper, boy, you Yo, baby. Yo, send 26 shoes down your street.
Yeah, baby.
So we're at Duns River now. Oh my god, that is so beautiful.
This is the park.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. 1 second. That's amazing. Oh my god. That's amazing. That's so pretty. Wow.
Alright, I'm gonna go down here and come back. Okay, now.
There's some fire lion.
Dad, how was the cooking go to that?
I'll be so
I really like it.
that joke.
See the sign? You climb the falls at your own risk. Oh my god. Are you okay? Yeah? No? I think we're going to get changed.
What? Keep coming here. No one ever evening man, you know. The morning man gone, so evening man that. And now we should have to back them up there. I need a free dog. Look up the suggestion about to see everybody. Alright, that's what we can do. How much bag we have? And everybody has a bag. We can buy that. Just don't climb fast, tired, hungry, with dry everything.
I'm tired and we just finished the fall.
Yeah.
So now we're heading back to the bus. Yeah, we're gonna eat some food. The hill is really big. So we're just going back now. We've got all that stairs to climb. Oh, where is it? But we've got long steps to climb. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Here she is. How was it? Great. Was it? It was really good. We literally climbed all the way. So Crystal nearly dropped. You fell. So we're gonna go back now.
No, what's up?
So I'm gonna head out now. And then I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
Big up everybody who knows that they say, oh boy, it's rich kids, it's Brooks, run the chat for general. Oh boy, it's rich kids, oh boy, Grand Steve, oh boy, that one here name Mix, you see me? Mix Bombix, Bomb up that, move it. I come and cheer, that's a hit. I gotta be true up on this. Look at the time that it is. I plan me on pushing like a zip. Pushing like a zip. Slay them to me, them general. Slow them to me. You know what we call that? I try that me up, I go get one. Keep smoking. Call that keep smoking. Looking at my position, keep smoking. Keep smoking. That's what it's all about. And if you're not like me, I'm not like you. Because I'm flyers, I like them. Me like them flyers, I like them. Oh boy. It's rich kids, oh boy. It's every time, oh boy. Can't see his clothes, keys to my bimmer. You know what she said to me? She got the keys to my bimmer. You know what the bank teller call me? What you know? Call me the CEO. Call me more chow. Me have the plug up in the bank. You listen my money that's a flow. We make fixed deposits. You listen my carry rich. I used to them buy a house and I know me not sleeping. I used to be looking the good life. Look at the time, oh boy. Let's get that cash, oh boy. Don't see what's going on. Alright, come here, say fix them there. Go on, channel. Banger. Call me the CEO. Call me my Joe. Me and the plumber for the bank. Give us some money just to flow. We make fixed deposits. Give us some carry rich. I guess you never buy a house and I'm only sleep in a street. Boy, you all have a cute girls them in our party tonight. More than that there, man. I can't be a man there, man. I could have never be a man. Boy, you're all like cute girls them in our party in a food fest tonight. Great. Like, so then, you can say from a girl then, because you know where you go. No. Because all like cute ladies them in our place, be able to see how look. When you see how look, little more, isn't it? I'm gonna take it to the paradise. I'm chilling by the beachside, And if you want, well, I have your vibes. Then I pick up the inside. You know what, baby? If I can get some women plan and grow, she ain't nothing to it, I can't promise you. Me, I'm gonna bring you the cup and not fail. I make me know me put the rice and peas. Last up, get my right move. Look how deep, pretty wet lights out. Put on your chest and your nice clothes. You think I be a rush? Feels like a paradise. When I'm alone, with you and baby. If you're blind, I'ma be in heaven too. Feels like a paradise. When I'm alone with you. You think of that, baby? What you know? You think of that? You know what I'm gonna take you? What you know? Let me take you to my paradise, girl. I'ma take you to my paradise, world. Let me take you to my paradise, baby. Hey, yes. How now, Audi? Top down. Banga. Big league. Take all down. Top down. Once you like top down, them stay so. All I will know is them a top down. They will shell. Watch ya. It's like an accident. Me a drive on the accident. Nobody leave an accident. They sell out for accident. The show's sold out. Can't sworn out. Champagne, pour out. Girls are like, you know, reels up down. Stop down. Big fat girl and two fat girl and oh boy, it's the president. It's Donald Trump. After them one me a drive and can't see them. Nobody need for accident. That's a no paparazzi them. This was sold out. No my can't swear up. Champagne is pour out. Cause like pour no reels up down. That's wrong. Big fat grip on the two fat girl in the car. That's wrong. Some people give me night out. Flash and give me a white ball. That's wrong. My girl so we can look how easy to do it in my bar. Well on. We're not all eating, you know. So we're going on. One more left, you know. But guess what now, no dog? Stanley, big up yourself. Big up the team. Glen Sweet, big up yourself. Tear Jobs, big up yourself. Rich Kid, big up yourself. You don't know your whole team, big up yourself. There's too much that's me can't for big up your whole of them.
Big way up.
You see me? But guess what? By the end of the idea, dog, we only pay where you come for, nothing to something.
Yeah.
And then when you come, when we build up, then bad man we and then style we.
Yeah.
That's what I say. I'm only putting man the free reach tonight. But I want to see everybody we have a dream in our life. Go so. Everybody we have a dream. Go so. Dreaming. I don't want to know what me dream about, no. I bet you don't want to know. Me a dream about it. And you press me or I fix them. Girls them appear like magic. Look how me treat them. Look how easy me flick them. Me turn and kiss. A boy wants to crank up in the shop. Couple carry like a grandson. No one fly go a bust and what's that a Jordan? I don't feel me a walk on the queen like chocolate. So me eat and dream. Dreaming. Salado, salado.
Oh, chow, chow. Look at the time, oh boy. Let's get that cash, oh boy. Don't switch goes on sinners. Keys to my bimmer. Got the keys to my bimmer. Call me the CEO. Call me Mo Chow Chow Chow. Me a the plumber for the bank. You know see my money that's a flow. Make fixed deposits. You know see me carry it rich. I see them buy a house and I know me not sleep in it. Cause we living the good life, the good life, the good life. And we spend as we should like, we should like, we should like. The fat girls and the slim types, the slim types, the slim types. Dance we living the good life, the good life, the good life. Crystalla complains, says she tired for count the money. About 6 months she spent yesterday and she still can't done it. I got the keys to my bimmer. Call me the Zim Zimmer. Your girl know I'm a winner. So she want have me. Cause we living the good life, the good life, the good life. And we spend as we should like, we should like, we should like. The fat girls and the slim types, the slim types, the slim types. Team Triple Work is the good life, the good life, the good life. No, I'm a winner. Oh boy, we got like bricks over here. We got chicks over here. It's Dan Swift, Swivel up boy. Team Triple Work up boy. Let's make that cash. Oh fuck. Living the good life, the good life, the good life. And we spend as we should like, we should like, we should like. Let's living the good life, the good life, the good life. Team Triple Work is the good life, the good life, the good life. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Boy, Mr. President.
Bourbon Beats.
It's rich kids. Dreaming, 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 dreaming. I've been dreaming, dreaming, dreaming. Me a dream about the brick step and the fresh pair of kicks them. Girls them appear like magic then. Look how me trick them. Look how easy me flick them, me turn and twist them. Me want score couple girl shot, a couple carrying at the grandstand. Me want fly go a bus stand. What's that a Jordan? A Louis V, me a walk on me clean like chalk and so me keep on dreaming, 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 dream. Say me money can't done, money can't boil down. My money can't boil down. Dreams say my money can't done, money can't boil down. My money can't boil down. Dreams say my mother nice now, and every bread gets sliced now. I miss a rich a jive now, which is the life now. Get rich, die try now. All gully gotta fly now, though I'll fly now. Well, they soon find out how. Well, you too damn ready, I know. What them have to do now? Well, me done lock the gate, me done lock the place. The thing well secure now. Dreaming, 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 dreaming. Some money can't run, money can't boil up.
One time, oh yeah. Well, vloggers, since Krista forced me to do this thing, we wanna call vlog now, but today last day, Dave's leaving, you know, I'm supposed to see her soon and everything, but I don't know, yeah, had a nice time, went to Duns River Falls, we went to Clarendon. I played, which part in Clarendon we go again, I place the name? Yeah, Maypen. Yeah, where everybody just walking on the road, they're not afraid of car down there. 1-2 show for $50. You see me, boy? We go quite a few places, clubbing, we'll go Pizza Hut and all that, and you know I go so hope y'all watch Babe vlog. Not really a fan of these things, but just for Babe. Yeah. So peace out. Bye.
So today is the last day. I'm feeling really sad.
That should be double kick. Sorry.
Are you gonna miss me?
Of course.
Over here?
So if I get butterfly, cockroach in the night.
No.
So what
You
you
can only
can
get butterflies as well.
Not no fear. You must can get sitting to. Yeah, I get butterfly. You must can get.
Next time over these speed bumps, there's a lot of these in India.
Regular, me come over. Me drive come over here. So me know. I think them a regular thing them on the road. I'm going to take time go over.
They've got a lot of these on the roads over here.
I'm going to drive so slow. A speed bump for no speed. But then if you no limit over there at 10, I don't have speed bump at 2, no I go then man.
Right guys, where we go now? Where we go
Tapping now. Tapping now. Yo, tapping, you got black no man a bad but you know. Guys, I'm saying.
See, when I start going crazy, I start going out of my mind. There's only one person that can calm me down. It's Lindsay.
You and I, yeah. You alone, I tell no lie. No other girl can live by my side. No matter how hard them try. You and I, you alone, I tell no lie. No other girl can live by my side. No matter how hard them try. Yalla, you alone, I care about. A bag of yalla talk when them hear about. True, you a name brand and them wear out. Some of them a butter pepper, some a scarecrow. What if I go to jail tonight? Would you be my ride or die? Would you be by my side? Or would you cry?